check this out. This guy is really something else. He took gym equipment and put its design onto a bike, making a weird bike you can use to work out while you ride it. All of this just because he saw someone at the park working out on an elliptical machine. That gave him the idea to turn a bike into gym equipment too, so he got right to work on it. He found a beat-up bike frame, used an angle grinder to cut it, and took off the parts he did not need. Next, using that beat-up frame as a starting point, he planned to use spare metal pieces to build and make a whole new bike. After getting those parts sorted out, he found a pedal and chainring. He wanted to change it into a double chainring setup. To do that, on the inside of the second chainring, he marked a circle and used an angle grinder to cut along the line to get the outer ring of the chainring off. Then he put bolts into the holes and tightened them with nuts to hold it solid. This let the solid pedal chainring connect with that hollowed out outer ring he cut, using more nuts to bolt them together. And that is how he made it a double chainring. He put it in the right spot on the beat-up frame and bolted it down tight. Then he got a chain and put it on. Thinking about the length needed for the pedal setup, he got another full pedal chainring to put together with the first one. For that, he needed to add another axle rod with one end connected to the chainring and the other end welded to the frame. For the open middle part, he filled it with a short tube, first getting the power part of this bike done. Then he got matching individual pedals and put them on the axle rod on the other side, upgrading from one set of pedals to two sets. Next step was to add a set of front handlebars to finish the riding area layout. After painting this frame with fresh paint, he got two boards the same size, cut the ends, and shaped them with a curve. Then, he marked spots on them with a square and drilled holes using a drill press. He did the same thing to both boards. After that, he painted them red. Back to the bike frame, he put the back wheel on and connected it to the chainring. Then he finished putting the front wheel on, making the bike able to roll. He put brake levers on the front handlebars and added grips for better hold. All that was left was to put the boards on. Besides using the pedals for support, he used a steel plate underneath for more stability. He put bolts through the board and the steel plate and tightened the nuts. And with that, this bike that combines gym equipment design was finished. Since it was made for working out first, there is no seat. You stand on the pedals to move the chain and back wheel. Gotta say, it is a pretty creative idea. In daily life you could use it to get around, or as a piece of workout equipment. It is a genius 2 for 1 idea. So on a scale of 1 to 100, what score would you give this build?